Cats being playful is always fun to watch. Their cute and funny acts are always pleasing to the eyes. Here we have collected the top 15 funny clips of different animals that will surely make you laugh. So, without wasting a single second, let's get started. The cute little cat was sitting on the bed. His owner was lying in front of it. The owner was moving his feet up and down. The cat jumped repeatedly and tried to catch the feet of the owner. The cat was hiding behind the wall. It was playing hide and seek with its owner. The owner came from one side and the cat looked at him. Then the owner moved from the other side and the cat looked at him from that side. The dog wanted some food. The owner was holding its food in his hand. He broke a small piece of the food and gave it to the dog. The dog refused to eat it as he wanted the whole piece. When the owner gave the dog the whole piece, it took it immediately. What? The dogs were standing in the cot. They wanted to come out of it. One dog stood up and the other dog kicked it, and it fell in the cot. They both tried so hard to come out, but failed as the boundary of the cot was so high. The little dog was sitting on the floor with the feet of the girl. It was sleeping. Suddenly, but it fell down. Then the dog got up again and maintained its position. Five little dogs were taking a slide. The dogs got a slide one by one. That was a large slide, and all of them enjoyed it. They looked happy. The little fluffy dog looked really pretty. The girls made a circle of her hands. The dog made her hand out of that circle. The scene looked really amazing and mesmerizing. The dog was standing near a door. The door had a glass portion in it. The dog tried jumping again and again. Therefore, it might want to pass from that glass was making jumps repetitively. The owner of the dog was holding some money in his hand. It gave it to the dog. The dog held it in its mouth and walked away. The dog looked happy. Two dogs were standing in front of each other. They both were trying to scare the other one. One dog bent down with a jerk, and the other dog followed the same. They both were doing it again and again. Both dogs were showing the same actions. Two cats were present. One was lying calmly on the floor. The cat looked so tired, as she got tired by the daily routine. The other cat was giving it a massage by its paws. It was standing on the back of the first cat. The cat was enjoying getting the massage as it was relaxing. The dog was pulling a thing that was stuck to the ground. The thing was just like a vacuum and was tightly attached to the floor. The dog made almost 10 attempts to make it free from the floor. In the 10th attempt, the dog succeeded and the thing got slapped on its face. The cat and the dog were sitting with each other. The cat firstly started cuddling with the dog, but something happened with the cat as she started slapping the dog after a few whiles. The dog got surprised about what was happening to him. The boy gave some food to the dog. He kept the food on the floor. The boy gave some food to the dog. He kept the food on the floor and thought that the dog was busy eating, so he may leave the house. He went outside to sit in the car, but the dog ran fast and sat before his owner. It looked very funny as the owner wanted to move the dog outside, but the dog refused. The dog was moving with a toy. The toy was moving here and there in a zigzag manner. The dog followed the toy that looked funny and interesting.